Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to restart or reboot the Onn Android TV Box in just a matter of a minute or so. Now guys, if you're unfamiliar, the Onn Android TV Box is a popular device sold exclusively through Walmart for under $20. And as you can imagine, because of that price point, this device has become increasingly popular, and I want to make more video tutorials on the Onn Android TV Box because I know a lot of you guys are likely using it. So guys, to reboot or restart your Onn Android TV Box, all we're going to do is hover over the settings icon on the far right, go ahead and click the settings icon, and then once you're here, all you want to do is scroll down and click System. And then once you've clicked System, all you want to do is scroll all the way down and you'll see an option here that says Restart. Go ahead and click Restart. And you'll get this warning message saying Restart now. Go ahead and click Restart again. And here, guys, you're just going to have to wait maybe a minute or two while your Onn Android TV Box is restarting. And guys, the benefit of performing a device reboot or restart here, as you'll see the on messages popping up and we're restarting here, is that this will likely improve your device performance. Now, if you're buffering, your navigation is slow, or you're running short on storage, or just other little bugs that you're experiencing, typically performing a device restart or a device reboot will help with that. And you'll see the Google TV icon comes up, so I know that my Onn Android TV Box is successfully rebooting here. All right, and as you'll see, I am on the home screen, and that's it, guys. That is how you quickly restart or reboot any Onn Android TV device. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. I appreciate you guys watching this quick video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment below. I hope this quick tutorial helped you guys out, and I look forward to creating more content like this in the near future.